In 1 minute of market open, sell call generated, red color candle open, 9:16 a.m. It's a Bank Nifty 1 minute chart August to 9:16. Sell call came at 45,496. That a straight white line from red color candle, that is our entry point line. Below our first target, second target line, above line is the stop loss line. Daily it will analyze market movement. Whenever breakout happen, immediately call will generate. It's a automatic buy sell calls generator. So in live market, signal like calls will come. It's a sell call, so red color. If it's a buy call, green color color will come. According to market trend, the color will be lost. Okay. Sell call came at 45,496 and below first target it's a 100-point first target, 45,383. Second target is a 200-point second target line. So daily basis in live market, you will receive calls like this. You can watch the chart, get the call, place the order in your broker account. For plan details, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. At 10:25, successfully break out the first target range. It's a 120-point momentum. And continuous bearish momentum, it break out the second target range also. More than a 230-point downside and continuous bearish momentum. Tomorrow expiring 45,500 put option chart. At 248 buy call generated, currently trading above 500. Like this, you can directly watch in option chart also. For plan details, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll send you the detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.